Which electromagnetic radiation has the smallest wavelength? It's known that gamma rays have a wavelength in a range of 0.01 nanometer to 10 nanometer. These are shorter than visible light but longer than gamma rays. So option A, X-rays, will not be the correct answer. Let us check option B. Option B is given as gamma rays. Gamma rays have a wavelength less than 0.01 nanometer, which means they are shorter than X-rays. They have the smallest wavelengths in the electromagnetic spectrum. So option B will be the correct answer for this question. Let us check other options as well. Option C is given as ultraviolet rays. It's known that UV rays have wavelength ranges from 10 nanometer to 400 nanometer, which are longer than X-rays and gamma rays. That's why option C is wrong here, whereas option D is given as microwaves, which is much larger than other listed in the given option. So that's why option D is wrong here. Option B will be the correct answer for this question.